Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to react. My reaction. Oh, why am I so tongue-tied today? Welcome back, guys. I really do appreciate you guys for coming back. So I was I was sent a recommendation to react to Christina Aguilera, Ain't No Other Man and Candyman live at the 2007 All-Star Game. So I'm curious to see what she's gonna be giving me. I said it over and over before on my previous video that I reacted to her that Christina Aguilera is a singer and a performer and an entertainer. So I'm curious to see what Miss Thing gonna be giving us.
A very pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
It is now time, the one and only. There never will be another.
Christina Aguilera.
Come on, Christina.
Couldn't stand to be up high. Something bound to come on. Something moving deep inside.
She's such a showgirl.
Don't know what you did, boy, but you had it. And I've been hooked up on things. I told my mother, my brother, my sister, and my friends. Told the others, my lover, that every time I see you, everything starts making sense. Ain't what I mean, can't stay, I'm next to you. Ain't what I mean, on the plane, that's what you're the kind of guy a girl finds in a blue moon. You got soul, you got class, you got style. Ain't no other man, it's true, alright.
Yes. Ain't no other. Ain't no other. Ain't no other. Ain't. Come on, Christina. She loved to do that a lot. I guess that's her signature. Come on, sisters. You got it out. Never you. Yes, Christina, she better feel it. Yeah. Okay, Christina. Come on, showgirl. Oh, they're having fun over there in the front. Yes.
Sweet talking sugar coated candy man. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. He took me to the Spotted Club in Hollywood.
Yeah.
Sweet talking, sugar coated candy man. Oh yeah.
Da-da-da. Come on, Christina.
Getting all bothered and hot. When it gets my mouth, it really is so hot. And it's like sugar cane. Good things come for one to wait. We say Candyman, Candyman. And we say
Candyman, Candyman.
he's a one-stop, got you hot, making all the drops. He's a one-stop, got me hot, making my hot. He's a
One
one-stop,
shot.
get it while it's hot, baby, don't stop.
Mm.
Oh,
Candyman. Come on. Ooh, who's that?
He's a one-stop shop with a real. He's a sweet talking sugar coated candy man.
Coming to myself.
Sugar-coated candy man.
Oh, God. From 2006 to 2010 was such a good year. Okay, bitch, you better hold that now.
Candyman, 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 Candyman.
Jane lost her grip and down she fell. She squirted herself away as she let out a yell.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more round of applause
Yes.
for Christina Aguilera.
Yes, that was Christina Aguilera live performance of 2007 live at the NBA All-Star Ain't No Other Man and Candyman performance. Thank you so much for that. Thanks for the one who recommended me to that. As you guys see the video, I was smiling because I really do. She's a good performer. The girl can sing, perform, and entertain. Good job, Christina. As I said before, thanks to everyone who recommended me to react to this video. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.